Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have two Allure boxes, my November and December box. So let's get into them. Check them out, maybe compare them a little bit. November box and this is my December box. They are different sizes, but good things come in small packages. I got behind during our away time and then our get over our away time. So we're just going to do both of these today. And like I said, maybe we'll give them a little bit of comparison. If you are new to the Allure Beauty Box, I will put links down below. I actually will put two links, the link directly to Allure or the link through Amazon, which is actually how I get mine, because if you get your timing right, you can see what is going to ship and you can stop that month's shipment if you'd like. So that's how I like to do it, although I never stop it. And my Amazon link is an affiliate link. When we open up the November box, this is what it looks like. We have a redhead on the front. I always wish I were a real redhead. In my youth, my hair was very, like if I stepped out into the sun, it was, the undertone was very red, but I love true gingers. When we get it open inside, whoop, that is what we have. We should have $100 worth of product and 3 full-sized items. We have a 111 skin. Wow, it's been a hot minute since we've had a 111 skin, hasn't it? This is the Rose Gold Radiance Booster. I am sure that I have one of these around here, so I am not going to open it so I can pass it along. But yeah, been a hot minute since we've been seeing 111 skin. I wonder if this has been around a while or if we're going to take another trip down the 111 skin lane. I always loved the way this serum looked. The paperwork says this is the kind of serum you'll look forward to putting on each morning. It's a silky blend of rosewater, niacinamide, and actual gold. It keeps your skin hydrated and soothed and evens out skin tones. The subtle rose gold tint is as brilliant as any brightening makeup, and we mean that figuratively and literally. It brightens complexions on the spot for a radiant, fresh-faced look. This is a $135 full-sized bottle. It's a bottle. That's also a box. But next out we have from Ipsy. Whatever it is in Virtue. So let's see what my Virtue is. Let's say, I don't know. Maybe a highlighter? What do you guys think? I'm gonna go look it up. Looks kind of like a highlighter, but it could, oh, it feels like it was gonna want to fall out of there. It could totally be an eyeshadow. Ipsy Cream Highlighter in Virtue. Why, you'll love it. The ideal rose gold highlighter, it has a slightly shimmery finish that reads as dewy, not disco ball. The creamy formula blends like a dream. It has a $20 value, they say. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this closed. It looks like there's a smudge in there, but let's assume it happened in processing because I won't use this. I never use cream highlighters because I use them last in the process and I always feel like they lift any powders or foundations that I put on, so I will set that aside to give away. Next out, we have a Perfect Repair from Nature Lab. Also having a hot minute. We get this in our Allure a lot. I mean, I feel like we do. Do you feel like we do? I feel like we do. Nature Lab Tokyo Repair Treatment Mask. Why, you'll love it. This lightweight mint green cream spreads easily through straight, wavy, or curly hair in the shower and instantly makes it feel softer and easy to detangle. It treats hair from scalp to ends without weighing down fine roots. With a mix of hair strengthening keratin and bamboo extract, antioxidant prickly pear oil, and moisturizing argan oil. If this was full size 6.7 ounces, it would only be $17. So I can't, it's way too small to read what this is, but this is a nice little way of trying it. We've had this several times. Next, ooh, we have a L'Occitane hand cream. Okay, now we're talking. This is the good stuff here. This hand cream, I love it. It helps keep your hands so soft. When the cold weather chaps hands, L'Occitane's heavy-duty cream delivers a dose of hydrating refreshment to skin while going on easy and grease-free. The shea butter formula works to soften and soothe stressed hands, and the comforting smell is clean and sharp. It is $30 for 5.1 ounces, and we have 1 ounce. So this is about $6 worth. I am going to stop and put some on the back of my hands. I have had the driest hands this season. They have been absolutely out of control. Can you guys see how thick this is? This is so thick and luscious. I love L'Occitane. I almost always have one around the house tucked in a drawer somewhere. I go back and forth with it because I get all my Margot Elena ones and just so many, but it feels so good. And the scent is so fresh. My husband will use this one because the scent isn't Well, as I said, the other ones I'm offering are usually, you know, Margot Elena florals and that kind of thing. Yeah, my hand just immediately absorbed that. Love it. Next out, we have brushes from Carlucci. I'm going to say Carlucci. I have no idea why I'm saying it, because I like to. These are so cute. I'm not sure what I would use them for, but they're little chunky things and they're cute. I mean, I guess maybe concealer. Can you guys tell it comes up to a sharp point? It's kind of stocky. I would think maybe a concealer. And then there's this one. It also comes up to a point, but it also has kind of a odd, let's see what the paperwork says. Carlucci Brush Bundle. These brushes deliver impressive softness that makes blending oh, they are soft. Blending powders and creams a cinch. The multitasking tools are super travel friendly because of their short handles. Not to mention, the slate gray color is so chic and looks great in any makeup bag. Any makeup bag. They say the larger is a cream brush that's great for bases, foundations, or contours. And this is the Hush Hush brush. How cute is that? It's awesome for smaller applications like eyeshadow, concealer, and our new Larizzi highlighter. Well, I use more highlighter than that. You know what else it might be good for is if you contour the sides of your nose. Might be good for that too. Last out, we have a Viktor & Rolf Good Fortune. That is what the box looks like. Let's see what the inside looks like. Usually gorgeous. I love Viktor & Rolf. Oh, this is a new shaped bottle. How sweet is that? That is so cute. I was just talking about I needed a shelf to put all of my setting sprays on it in my last video because I love so many setting sprays. We get so many cute little bottles like this. This would be another thing to have a cute little shelf for. Oh, that smells good. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of that on. It smells quite nice. Viktor & Rolf Good Fortune Mini Replica. Every bit as comforting and gorgeous as a big bouquet of flowers from a loved one, this warm blend of jasmine and bourbon vanilla is a cozy floral that you'll want to smell all winter long. Okay guys, you know I'm not good at fragrance. I'm just not. I want to be. I try to be. I am not. I don't get the vanilla. I get lots of floral. I get no vanilla, but it's still very pretty. It smells pretty. Yeah, it looks adorable. I mean, it's a fun way to try new perfume. So we have our little perfume, the leave-in hair mask, the L'Occitane. What are our 3 full-size things? Keep going. The L'Occitane hand cream. Here's our full size. The Larizzi highlighter, the 111 Skin Gold Booster, and the brushes. Okay. Let's see what we got in December. Our December box is smaller. I have no idea. Absolutely no idea what is in here. That is our little pamphlet in this one. Ooh, she looks better already. She's full. That is what is on the inside. We got a big bottle of something chlorine we're going to dig right into. Again, it should be $100 in value, and we should have 3 full-size product. I imagine this is one of them. And this is not an expensive product, I don't think. It is Shampoo Sec, dry shampoo with nettle oil control. That is what that looks like. Our little booklet says this spray-on dry shampoo checks every one of our dry shampoo must-have boxes. It makes roots look and feel clean, never stiff or gunked up. The big drawback with a lot of dry shampoos. It doesn't weigh down fine hair, yay. And it is totally invisible even in dark hair. One editor has been known to use it daily to stretch a blowout all the way through the work week. It is $20 for 3.2 ounces, which is what this is. So this is full sized. I am trying so hard to wash my hair every other day now, and I feel like I have made such strides. I cannot go more than every other day. I hate the way, for me, it would be like not washing my face every day. I feel like it's all the same skin. So, I mean, I know it's horrible for your hair, but I just can't not do it. How many negatives did I get in that sentence? Mario Badescu, Renew Your Radiance Vitamin C Serum. It is just a little sample. Can I slide it out without ripping it? Because, yes, I can. Because I'm just going to slide it back in there and pass it along. I will put it in a giveaway or something. That is what it looks like. I cannot even begin to use a vitamin C serum. It will eat my face off. I don't know why my face has such a dislike for vitamin C, but it absolutely does. This says that this vitamin C is one of skincare's most beloved ingredients for its brightening antioxidant powers. Not all vitamin Cs are worthy of the hype. This serum is one you can feel good about applying. It contains 2 of the most effective forms of the hero ingredient, an ascorbic and 3-0 ethyl ascorbic acid, both stabilized forms of vitamin C. It helps fade hyperpigmentation like sunspots, gives skin an overall glow, and wears beautifully under the rest of your routine. It would be $45 for 1 ounce. This is a few drops. I can't tell in there what it is, but this is just a little sample bottle. Okay, next out we have a Dr. Paw Paw overnight lip mask. Not sad about that. That is a hard one to get because it's all written in gold. It is 99% natural. I wonder what that other 1% is. Dr. Paw Paw is a British brand that knows balms. The one it launched with was a runaway success that sold every minute globally. So it's not surprising that the balm experts have created the ultimate lip treatment with 4 natural oils and waxes, including sunflower seed oil and wax from the candelilla plant, to keep lips smooth and hydrated, even when they're prone to chapping in the winter. The Best in Beauty winning magic is packed in a convenient tube, which means there's no messy pot to dip your fingers into. I do love that. And this is $10.50. You know what's something that I heard that was really interesting is, you know, Allure awards these Best in Beauty things. And if you win, you win. And you can say you win. But if you want to show their I won Allure Best in Beauty thing, you have to pay for it. I thought that was interesting. So we have a little lip balm. Before I open that, I'm gonna, can you guys see, can you even tell that they're words? I can't even begin to read that. So I'm gonna check that out before I open it. Next out, I have by Rosie Jane. Rosie by Rosie Jane. I don't even know that I can get that across. It is very light on very white. By Rosie Jane Perfume Oil. This trendy niche fragrance house out of California just reimagined rose perfume, and their take on the flower smells more like naked skin. Subtly warm and sexy, yet light and transparent. Here, rose is mixed with musk, which is a buzzy ingredient in perfumery right now for its cozy, warm quality. The delicate blend is delivered as a perfume oil with just 5 ingredients, including a sweetly warm coconut oil base. The result is a soft, comforting fragrance that'll have you sniffing your wrist again and again throughout the day. $45 for 0.23 ounces. I suspect that is what we have. It is indeed. So this is a full-size $45 perfume. I love the idea of everything that it says. That is what it looks like. It's just clear. Unfortunately, I just put on that Victor and Rolf, so I can't put this on. I'll never smell it. Maybe a little bit on the back of my hand. Oh my gosh, that is nice. Wow, they're right. I will like this a lot. I like that smoke. You know, I've always said I like sandalwood and patchouli, and I like those earthier, more grounded scents. That is amazing. That puts me very much in the mind of, who did it? The Body Shop. Do you remember the white musk? They might even still do it. I'm saying do you remember because I used to do it, but they might still do it. The white musk from the Body Shop. I would say the musk used in this is the same kind of base as that. It gives me very much that same vibe. You would, yeah, I'm gonna say it. You would never know there was rose in here. I can't smell any rose. I mean, I know I'm bad at scents, but I know what rose smells like. And I smell no rose. That is lovely. Okay, next out is just, it's a little card, and it is the Transform Your Skin While You Sleep Immuade. That is what that looks like. It doesn't even talk about it in the book. Immuade First Aid Treatment performs miracles from head to toe. Although highly effective at treating severe skin conditions, this ointment is also powerful skin-changing beauty treatment. As a versatile beauty balm and occlusive nighttime mask, a routine more commonly known as slugging. I have things to look up now. I don't even know what that means. Immuade is the skin savior you can't live without. Oh, they tell us down here. Slugging like, you know, a slug. Like, you know, slugs. Say it one more time, Kathrin. It says apply as the last step in a nighttime skincare routine. Use a pea-sized amount and gently coat the entire face down to the décolleté. So slugging because you're going to make yourself slimy for the night. Yeah, I can't do that because I sleep on my face, which I know you shouldn't do, but here we are. They say to try it on your nails and your cuticles. It's great for that. Apply to any body part. Interesting. So what is it? Is it petroleum? That's what we need to know because, you know, we're not going to use petroleum. Allantoin, bacillus ferment, emu oil. That candelilla wax is in this too. I'm not sure what that is, but we're seeing it a lot more lately. Nope, no petroleum in it, so that's kind of interesting. Might be worth setting that aside. Sometimes my hands have been so dry this winter that in the evening I have been putting on a lotion and then putting on like a balm over it to kind of hold the lotion in. Might be good to try that with that. Next out, we have a Milk Rise mascara. It's a trial size. That is what that looks like. Like 2 mascaras in one, Milk's curved wand and pitch black formula expertly lift lashes, and if you add a few extra coats using the back of the curve, it brings tons of drama. Well, okay. Milk mascara. And last out, we have Liquid Glass. Oh, it's non-toxic static nails in triple cherry. Oh, it's going to be a fun cherry nail polish. I mean, I'm thinking that's what it sounds like to me. How about you guys? Yep, it is from Static Nails. Static Nails Liquid Glass Lacquer in Triple Cherry, the best possible version of a classic red nail polish. This lacquer's rich, deep red shade is extra glossy. It's great for any occasion, a festive touch for all your holiday parties, and looks gorgeous on all skin tones. And it is $16 for 12 ml, which is what this is, so this is full-sized. So what are our full-sized in this? Our full-sized are the Static Nails in Cherry, the Chlorine Dry Shampoo, and this really pretty, gorgeous perfume. Oh, I know, I'll quit talking about it, but my brain's not right yet. Okay, we have the Mario Badescu Vitamin C Serum, the Paw Paw Lip, oh, I bet this is full size too. Oh, the Paw Paw Lip Balm, and the Milk Mascara. Okay. Which box did you like best? I like this one best for sure. I will try the mascara. I will absolutely use the lip balm. I will pass this along. Dry shampoo. Who's not going to try dry shampoo? Nail polish. I can always use nail polish. And this perfume, it smells amazing and is much more me than the perfume we had in the November box, which was the Victor and Rolf. But really, in this box, the only thing that truly speaks to me is the L'Occitane hand cream. I'll play with these cute little brushes. Everything else I'll probably pass along. So those were the last 2 Allure boxes that we got, November and December. Thank you for coming by and checking them out with me. Let me know below what you think. I think December one. I hope you are having a fantastic new year and that I will see you again really soon. Be well, take care. Bye-bye, guys.